The learning objective is multiplying 2-digit multiples of 10 by 2-digit numbers using a place value chart. So the question is asking us to do 30 times 24. So for our equation, we're going to do 3 times 10 times 24. And then we're going to put the parentheses around the 10 and the 24 because that's what we're going to do first. So we just have to bring that 3 down. Now we need to put the discs for 24 into the place value chart. And when you multiply by 10, because you're moving one place in the place value chart, you can just circle these and move it right on over. So 24 times 10 is 240. So then we need 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to multiply by 3. So to do that, we can just do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to see if we have any spots in the place value chart that have over 10. So our ones place has nothing, so it's 0. Our tens has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need to bring the 2 down and take 10 of those and move them to the 100ths place into a 1. So then in our 100ths place we have a 7. So the answer is going to be 720. So now we need to multiply 40 times 43. So we have 4 times 10 and then times 43. And then we're going to put the parentheses around the 10 and the 43. And then we need to put our chips into the place value chart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then again, when you multiply by 10, you can just circle it, move it over, because when you multiply by 10, you are just moving up once in the place value chart. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have to multiply by 4. So we can add in our chips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So now we need to regroup. Because we had 12 there, we brought over 10 of them. So we have a 0 here, we have a 2 here, and then we have 17, so we need to take away 10 of them. And that leaves us with 7 and a 1. So our answer is going to be 1,720. And there you go. The next question is asking us to multiply 30 times 37. So if we have 3 and 10 times 37, so we're going to have 3 times 10 times 37. We're going to have 10 and 37 in the parentheses because that's what we're going to multiply first. So now we need to put our chips into our place value chart. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And like we talked about before, when we multiply by 10, you can just circle it and move it into the next place on the place value chart. So there's that. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we need to multiply that by 3. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we have 0 in the ones place, and we have over 10 in the tens place, so we do need to regroup. So we need to take 10 of those. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're going to put that chip in there, and then we need to regroup again. So we have to regroup all but 1 because we had 11 left over. So there's that chip. So now we need to bring down just the 1 because it's all we have left over, because that's gone, and that is gone. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again, we need to regroup all but 1. So we have 1 here. So this 1 can be brought down, and this 1 can be brought down also. So our answer is going to be 1,110. Thanks for watching.